Assalamu alaikum little learners. Today we have done the last activity from our booklet, that is from Wednesday 5th May 2021. These are few shapes which we have to draw, and we have to write the basic properties regarding to the shapes. Okay, the first shape we have drawn over here is a kite. As you can see that we have drawn two sides, two lines on the top like a triangular line, and a tail shape below it. Okay, with sharp edges, sharp corners. All right, two lines on the top and two lines below in a tail shape. All right, so the properties of a kite is that it has four sides, four corners, and a kite has a tail shape. See, the property is it has four corners, four sides, and a kite has a tail below it. As you can see, it has a tail shape under it because kite and diamond both are very similar to each other. So the difference between a kite and a diamond is that kite has a tail under it. Now moving towards a diamond, diamond has two sides on the two lines on the top, two lines below it. It is again with sharp edges, four sides and four corners, same as kite, but its four sides and four corners are equal to each other. Okay, four equal sides and corners. All right, now moving towards the pentagon. Pentagon is more like a house shape. So how you are going to draw a pentagon? You are going to draw a triangular shape on the top. ओके, टू स्लांट लाइन्स, स्लाइटर स्लांट लाइन्स. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्लांट लाइन नहीं, स्लाइटर slant lines, and then a baseline on below, a straight baseline under it to complete it. It's like a house, it's like a cupcake. Okay, now in Greek, penta means 5. You can write also penta means 5 in Greek language. It has 5 corners and 5 sides. Either their corners and sides can be equal or not equal as well. It's not compulsory. So a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners in it, and penta means 5 in Greek language. Okay, hexa. Now hexagon, how we have to draw a hexagon? Now the easiest way to draw a hexagon is you are going to make two straight lines, one on the top and one below. Okay, one on the top of it and one under it, two straight lines with a huge difference between them. Now what you are going to do, you are going to draw a triangular top here with two lines with sharp edges and two triangular top lines over here. This create your hexagon. Two straight lines on the top and two straight lines, one on top, parallel to each other. Okay, first you are going to draw two lines parallel to each other, two straight line parallel to each other. Then you are going to draw two slant lines here, two slant lines here. Now hexa means 6 in Greek language. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. Now moving towards the octagon. Octagon is also very simple. Now in octagon we are going to make 4 parallel lines. Okay, two lines this way, okay, upside down, and two lines on sides parallel to each other. Okay, two lines on left and right side, two lines up down, upside and downside. Now there will be a difference between these 4 lines. As you can see, there is a huge difference between these 4 lines. What we'll do, we'll join the corners of these lines with each other. This line, this line, this line, and this line, and our octagon is ready. Now octa is also a Greek word. In Greek, octa means 8. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Now one more property for all the shapes is that you can, at the end, you can also write that pentagon is from the family of polygon, hexagon is from the family of polygon, and octagon is the family of from the octagon. I have written that at the end. These three shapes are from polygon, and poly means many because they are having many sides and many corners. That's why they belong to the family of polygon. Okay, now the second last shape is sphere. Now for sapphire there are no sides, no corner, it's a circle shape. Okay, it has no sides, no corner, no edges, no faces, it is a circle in shape. Now the last shape is your pyramid shape. What you can do is, pyramid is more like your kite shape, as you can see. Okay, it's more like kite shape, but this time the tail side is up like a big tent. It's more like a tent too. Okay, and these below lines are less slanting, okay, and very less in size. And then you are going to join the middle of these three lines, these two lines and these two lines. These two lines, if you don't want to join these two lines, then this is up to you, but you have to join the middle line. Okay, you have to join the middle line. It's more like a tent shape, and the base of a pyramid is always a square shape. Okay, if you have seen pyramids in Giza, so you'll figure out that the base is square shape, and on the base shape it's a triangular shape on the top. On the base of a square it's a triangular shape on the top. It has four sides, four corners, and the major property is this, that it has a square shape on its base. ठीक है, एक स्क्वायर शेप इसके बेस पे होता है, उसके ऊपर ही we draw a pyramid in triangular shape. So these are the shapes and their properties. Kindly try to do your work and try to practice these shapes as much as you can. You need to be very practice in these shape, and draw these shapes again and again at any rough copy, and try to practice with the properties as well. If you are good with the shape, if you draw a fine shape, then properties are not difficult at all to write. All right, Allah Hafiz.